how to get started and how you can get the best traffic source and the best strategies for success. Start earning money today by staying with us to the end of this comprehensive tutorial. So we are going to combine multiple websites together and then maximize the result from that. So you have to stay with us to the end of this video that you will fully understand that how you can learn this and how you can maximize the result from that. So we are going to combine multiple websites together and then see the result that how it is possible. So before going to start a strategy, I would just request you to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video and subscribe to the channel for future videos and updates. And if you want to have the step-by-step training for CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description of this video. You will be ready to a full and comprehensive free video that you can simply watch and then you can maximize the result from that right away here. So let's begin the strategy. First thing first, we need to sign up for an affiliate network such as ClickBank.com or Digistore24. It depends on you which website you prefer, which website you are it's available in your country, or you have already access into that. But I myself like the most ClickBank because ClickBank is having a lot of offers right here that we can easily promote. So for that reason, we just need to sign up for free account right here and then log into our account right here. For example, I have already logged into my account because I have already signed up for that. But once you come to right here, it means you log in, make sure you simply go to the marketplace, then simply go to the e-business and e-marketing category. Once you come to this category, so make sure that you simply scroll down almost to the bottom right here and click on the third page right away here. Once you click on the third page right here, so you will simply see here this offer which is available on the third page, free traffic system, flood your sites with the free traffic FD marketing, okay? Which is paying $347, which is a lot of money actually. As a conversion, you will be getting paid for that. So it is the most greatest traffic source actually that we are going to use for this strategy, and it will be the best amount of money that we can simply get in. And the recurring and rebilling commission is also available, such as $24 plus actually, which is also the best money right here. So if I just click on this page right here, so I can simply see here that this is the landing page for this, which is really accurate and very nice actually, that many people can easily convert this page right away here. So what I need to do right here, the next is the traffic source that we can simply use. So as I told you at the beginning, we are going to combine multiple websites together, then see the result at the end. So for that website that we are putting together, one of those websites is the medium.com actually. But don't think that we have the traffic from the medium.com. No, it's not about that, but still if you get any traffic or any conversion, that is your luck. So that is a great opportunity. But we are going to use another traffic source for this right away here. So once you come to the medium.com, you just need to sign up for a free account right here. Then click on the right option right here. So once you click on the right option right here, you will be redirected to the page that you can simply add your title description. Means you can simply post something right here. So for that reason, I simply just go back right here to this page and I simply just copy this as a title. So I can simply just use this as a title right here for this page. Once I do that, the next step is that I simply go back to this page right here and I can simply screenshot this text from here, okay? So every Windows has a screenshot option right here. You can simply just click on that and then you simply just screenshot the whole page, something like that, okay? So I'm just using my screenshot tools right here. I can simply just copy this from here, okay? So once I copy this right here, means I screenshot that. So the next step is that I can simply save this in my PC right away here. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds to load the page. And after that, we can simply save to the PC right away here. So let me just click on the save option right here. Okay, so sorry, my PC is a little bit slow, so that's why it is not going to be quick. So it is saved now. What I need to do right here, I simply scroll down more a little bit, and I can simply add one or two images more, something like that. For example, this is the image. I can simply also just save as this image as if possible. So I can simply download this image as well from here. So I have downloaded this image as well. Then the next step is that I simply go back right here and simply click on this plus option and click on the image option right here. And I can simply just add this image from here. So the image that I have simply downloaded, that this is the one, okay? So I can simply just use this right here, okay? So I think it's fine now. So I can simply just scroll down and I can simply add text at the bottom. So for that reason, I simply go back to the page and simply just come back right here, okay? So I simply just copy this text from here, okay? And then simply just copy this from here and come back right here and simply just paste the text right away here, okay? So this is written very nice and accurate. It needs a little bit customization, so you need to customize a little bit, but otherwise it's fine right away here. If there is any mistake, you can just make it correct or something like that. So then we can simply use. At the bottom, we can simply also add a call to action. Uh, for example, you can simply just say, for example, learn, oops, okay, learn more and dive here for further details or something like that, okay? Details, okay, something like this. And then you simply just give the full stop, something like that. Okay, let me indeed, okay, should correct that. And then we simply make it bold, this one right here. And we simply go back to this page and then click on the promote option right here. And after that, we simply use media as a tracking ID and then simply just copy this link from here. Once I copy this link from here, they simply come back right here. Simply just click on this page right here. Let me just make it correct. This one first. Then simply click on the URL option and insert URL. So now it's a clickable link. And if you just scroll down, you can also add another image right here that it looks a little bit attractive and catchy, something like that. So the image that we have downloaded that, I think it's not right here. Okay, I think this is the one. Oops. Okay, it's not working. So let me just go back right here and just simply use these images, something like this. Let me just download this image, okay? Okay, if it's possible to download, it will be fine, okay? Okay, let me just download that. Why it's blocked? Okay, sorry, that was blocking right here, so that's why it was not visible right here. Let me just go back again and click on the image option right here to upload, okay? So these are the images. Let me just upload this one. Okay, now it is fine, I think. So no, so our page is ready now. What we need to do, we simply just click publish option right here, and then we simply just add, but necessarily it doesn't need right here because we are not going to use as a topic right here, but still it is fine to use something like make money online or something like that. So it will be great to use these types of keywords. Affiliate, um, affiliate is 5,000, affiliate marketing is 52,000, searches per month, okay. Still it is good income, let me just see income. Okay, I think it's not worth it, so I can simply use passive income. Okay, passive income is 34,000 euros. Okay, I think it's fine. So I can use this one as well. And here I can use earn money online. Okay, something like this. Online 36,000. So it's great. One, I can also use more. So that could be work from home. Okay, work from home. So work from home is getting 33,000 searches, so it's fine. Now I can simply click on the publish option right here to publish, okay? So it's going to be published now. Now it is published right here. You can simply see here it's published and we don't need to do anything like that. So we can simply just copy this link from here and we are good to go with that. Once we do this, the next step for us is that actually that we simply just go to something like TikTok and we simply type make money online or something like that, and you will see tremendous amount of videos actually that talk about all make money online actually, and that's really converting videos actually, and that is really amazing actually. These guys put a lot of time and energy into that to build these, and we can simply have it for free right here. We simply see here that they got 7.9 million views, 1 million views, 5 million views, 2.1 million views, 1.2 million views, okay? So the more views that they got,